So yeah, my dad's Ford Orion Ghia sat in the drive.
Just wants to do what's it, so.
Recently, you got the windows fixed, didn't you?
Yeah.
But obviously he's looking for other body parts to do it up and restore it. But currently just left in the elements. So as you can see, it was last taxed on the 1st of May 2001. That's over 25 years ago, with no MOT results going off the reg check. I was probably 10 years old at that time. However, I'm sure we had it a few more years prior to that as well. But also during my childhood, my dad had a white Austin Maestro and a red Austin Maestro. And yes, over the years, the Austin Maestros were scrapped. However, he still has the Ford Orion to this day. The one and only car he will not part with. And he is determined to restore it back to its original state.